Ethnic Classification and Distribution of Indian Population. Based on B.S. Guha's classification. Welcome to Anthronet Academy. A study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Stay till the end of the video to know important books related to this topic or check the description box for link. Introduction to B.S. Guha's classification. Birja Sankar Guha, 1894 to 1961, was a pioneering Indian anthropologist. He proposed a classification of Indian population based on racial and physical traits. His classification was influenced by physical anthropology and cranial measurements. He categorized Indian population into 6 primary racial groups. His work laid the foundation for anthropological and sociological studies in India. B.S. Guha's 6 racial groups. Negrito, small-statured, dark-skinned, frizzy hair, example Andamanese. Proto-Australoid, medium height, wavy hair, broad nose, example Tiawan Bils of central India. Mongoloid, fair skin, straight hair, slanting eyes, example northeastern tribes. Mediterranean, medium height, long head, prominent nose, example South Indian Dravidians. Western Brachycephals, round head, fair skin, found in western and central India. Nordic, tall, fair-skinned, narrow nose, found in North India, example Punjabis. Image suggestion, infographic showing different racial groups with facial illustrations. Geographical distribution of racial groups in India. Negrito, found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Proto-Australoid, found in central and eastern India, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Mongoloid, concentrated in northeast India, Arunachal, Nagaland, Manipur. Mediterranean, predominant in South India and parts of the Gangetic Plain. Western Brachycephals, found in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. Nordic, found in northwestern India, Punjab, Haryana, and Kashmir. Significance and criticism of B.S. Guha's classification. Significance, first systematic racial classification of Indian population. Anthropological relevance, helped in understanding human diversity in India. Criticism, based on outdated racial concepts and physical traits. Modern perspective, genetic studies show a complex admixture rather than clear racial divisions. Legacy, still referenced in Indian anthropology despite modern revisions. Conclusion and key takeaways. B.S. Guha classified Indians into 6 racial groups based on physical traits. These groups were Negrito, Proto-Australoid, Mongoloid, Mediterranean, Western Brachycephals, and Nordic. His classification influenced early anthropological research in India. Modern genetics has challenged rigid racial classifications. India's diversity is best understood through a mix of cultural, genetic, and historical perspectives. Books and references. 1. Books by B.S. Guha. Racial Elements in the Indian Population, a key work by B.S. Guha discussing his racial classification of India. 2. Books on Indian Anthropology and Ethnic Classification. The Races of Man, by C. S. Kuhn, provides a broader global racial classification, useful for comparison. The People of India, by Risley H. H., one of the earliest anthropological studies of Indian ethnic groups. The Tribes and Castes of Bengal, by H. H. Risley, detailed study of caste and tribal groups in Bengal. The People of India, by K. S. Singh, modern ethnographic study of India's ethnic diversity. 3. Books on genetic and modern anthropological studies. India, A Sacred Geography, by Diana Leck, Cultural and Historical Perspectives on Indian Diversity. Early Indians, The Story of Our Ancestors and Where We Came From, by Tony Joseph, explores genetic ancestry and racial composition of Indians. An Introduction to Social Anthropology, by D. N. Majumdar and T. N. Madan, covers racial and ethnic groups in India. Indian Anthropology, by Nadeem Hasnan, a comprehensive textbook covering racial and ethnic studies. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.